Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. Right here you'll find every file, every setting for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. You can schedule the dark mode. And also in more dark mode settings you can change dark mode style between enhanced, medium and gentle. You can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce light contrast in light condition, and enable dark mode for apps. Next, you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via auto brightness. Then you can change screen color mode between vivid and natural, and screen color temperature. Then we can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change its intensity and mode between color and black and white. Next, we can change display size and font size and style. Next, we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable adaptive sleep, change screen refresh rate between high and standard, and in the end, you can hide notch in apps and enable full screen mode for apps. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.